Oh, I see it now.
Look at Trent go.
Woo!
Trent, say hi to the camera.
Trent's a monkey.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Destroyer, hanging out with Monkey Man today.
And Rainbow Sparkles.
Shut up.
Screw you, Frankie. God.
All right, let's try to get the brightness on this. Oh, right here. This is the perfect brightness. Pressing the button, to get the brightness for the iPhones. If you don't have an iPhone, then you're broke. Says the guy that didn't have an iPhone for like, brightness overload.
Bro, what the crap? Killing nature.
There we go. Okay. That's kind of cool. All right, Trent, do the same thing that you were doing right before I turned on the camera.
I don't think I can.
Yes, you can.
Are you okay?
All right, let's just say this. He was hanging upside down from, wait a minute,
You're in the uniform?
that branch. Right under that
Actually,
branch
I think we have to go like that to get down.
is
Where's
that.
Are you able to tie that knot? Hey, are you
Here's
able to
Rainbow
tie that
Sparkles. Don't
Marissa,
go to her
again? Are you able
channel.
to tie that
Subscribe.
knot again?
Yeah.
Okay.
HD picture quality.
Hold on. Hold on, I did it. Shut up.
I just zoomed in right on your face, Trent.
Fuck. Stupid tree.
This is all my sweat then.
Fun that work. You're missing.
If you
this.
zoom on my tits, Frankie, I swear to God.
Oh, now I got to delete the video.
This video's still on YouTube.
Okay, there you go. It's secure.
Going down again.
Here we go, guys. Are you ready for this?
God.
Monkey Man.
Someone's gonna kill me.
I'm gonna scream this entire time.
He's gonna die.
He's dead. It's done. It's dead. Stay up there. See how long you can stay up there.
You can jump if you want. Just watch out for that.
This is just all upper body strength, guys. Treninator Max, or Monkey Man, is just what he should rename himself to. Show him how you got up there, too.
No, I think for him showing getting down. Just if you're watching this, just
Alright,
reverse
hold
it.
up, look.
No, don't do it again.
What do you mean reverse it?
Just reverse it.
Wait, I can't reverse something I didn't video record.
No.
Telling the people that are going to watch it, just reverse what I did.
Oh. That's pretty gay. pretty gay.
Oh fuck.
She's scared that her boyfriend's gonna die.
He's not my boyfriend. He's my friend.
You want him to be your
I'm scared
boyfriend,
of
though.
his girlfriend. Then she's gonna kill me. And there's the monkey man. And now get back up. Back
This is
down.
pretty cool.
Down.
Alright, that's the end of this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, do all the great stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.